Ba-dum-bum-bum. Hello, everybody. I'm Leland Redfield, and I've been getting questions to do business breakdowns for memberships, and this is exactly what that is. So I'm going to share 5 quick fixes after reviewing this teacher's yoga membership. It should be simple, high impact improvements without a full redesign or needing to do her whole business over. So we're going to jump into it. Let's get started. So the first thing that we want to talk about is there's always 5 areas or 5 common bottlenecks. And so they're not all equal. We want to figure out which one is kind of the biggest bottleneck for her. We have conversions, delivering the product, getting more leads, or people would say traffic, retention, getting them to stay in your membership, and then ascension, which is getting them to buy additional things from you. So we're going to focus mainly on conversion and leads with this one because with this business, those were the biggest wins. So let's see what's happening. So fix number one, conversion fix. There's no video above the fold. So this is actually her purchase page, her sales page. And why is this a problem? Visitors rarely scroll past what they initially see. So, in my experience, if you have a video, you're just going to convert better. No video means that they're not going to trust you and you're not going to build that personal connection. And one of the keys with memberships is really how many seconds are they spending on camera with you? How many seconds are they spending listening to you or talking with you? And your landing page is a great place for you to do that. Um, and so it significantly decreases conversions. I have significantly in there twice. So it's a big problem. So just adding a video, and I actually looked at her stuff. She has a great video on this page. It's just further down. We're going to talk about it in this next fix, but it needs to be above the fold. And it's an easy fix, right? So move the video above the fold where it's immediately visible. You should also keep the video shorter. Her video is about 5 minutes long. 60 to 90 seconds seems to convert really well with a clear and direct invitation to try the membership. And then the structure that we follow for promo videos, it's an introduction and a credibility statement. So you introduce yourself, you say why you're credible. You talk about the benefits of the membership. The benefits are the outcomes that they're going to get for joining the membership. Then you talk about the membership components. These are the things that they actually get when they join the membership. So do they get videos? Do they get calendars? Benefits are different than components. And so you want to make sure that the benefits are all addressing specific outcomes. They're going to feel better. They're going to have more strength. They're going to look nice. They're going to feel great. And then the components are they're going to be doing daily yoga calendars, or they're going to get access to this program or that program. Very different, but this order and sequence matters. So introduction, credibility statement, benefits, membership components. The ideal student, is it for beginners? Is it for advanced students, right? How do I know that it's right for me? And then a thank you and a call to action. So thank you, hope you enjoy this video, and click the button below to join the membership. That's the format that I like for almost all memberships that we work with. So quick fix. Fix number two, conversions. It's a seasonal summer offer for a membership. So there's a summer longevity 5-week live series. And so why is this a problem? Uh, so it creates unnecessary complexity in your marketing. And especially with memberships, you want to get one offer that works, and then you want to just drive a bunch of traffic to that offer. But when you have a seasonal offer, it's going to require constant updates and constant change. And that requires your bandwidth, that requires your web team to create a new page, that requires testing something to see even if the new offer works. And so it dilutes the main proposition, the main value proposition of the membership because it's something that exists sort of outside the membership or separate from. And it can confuse potential members about your core offering, right? So it can seem like a good idea to do something seasonal, but it adds all this unnecessary complexity that if you were to just do a quick fix, create a clean evergreen funnel that works year round. So something that people can always buy, and there's always value when they watch the video. So they know that they can always buy it. And then run monthly flash sales. So usually we'll do once a month, we'll do a flash sale to that same membership, and we'll add a sense of urgency, whether it's a price discount or a bonus that's going away. But we're always selling the same membership, and we always have the same video, the same offer to drive them to, which makes our marketing a lot easier. It's just rinse and repeat. Uh, Focus on messaging the core benefits of the membership that never change. Again, when you're doing a summer thing, it's going to be different than if you're doing a fall thing. And if you always have to talk about what's changing and why they should join now, it just dilutes your messaging. And then and it also focuses on creating a consistent experience for all the new members. Uh, if you have the same core offer when people come in, then the onboarding process can be really consistent and you can get better at getting more retention. But if you're changing up the offer each time, you need a different onboarding sequence, which is just way more work rather than just dial in your initial offer, dial in your onboarding sequence, and then sell year round long, year round, year round. All right. Um, this one's formatted a little weird. Fix number three, leads and conversions. So this woman has her free gift is here's the workflow. They start from a YouTube video and then she gives them a PDF for their free gift. And then she sells the video membership. Why is this a problem? The PDF doesn't align with the video membership experience, right? We want to go video, video, video. If we're selling video, it's videos all the way down. So it breaks up the user's flow. So, right, video, video, video. No, it's video, PDF, video, right? We want it to be totally aligned, and the PDF's not going to be aligned. And it sends mixed signals about what the core product delivers. You're a video membership. You might have some PDFs inside of it, but for the most part, you're a video membership. They find you through video. They're going to buy video from you. You should be delivering free video as a bridge to get them from free to paid. So, quick fixes. Create a free video class that mirrors the membership experience. A slice. Create a slice of the membership. Just slice off a piece of the membership, give that away for your free gift, and then you'll have total alignment. And then let the people preview exactly what they'll get when they're in the membership. Again, that's why it's a slice. And then maintain consistent format from the lead generation to the paid offering. Again, a slice of the membership does that. It's going to be perfectly aligned from free to a free gift and an opt-in to a paid membership. So easy fix number three. Fix number four, leads. There's no video on the thank you page. So when you sign up for the opt-in, again, there's no video on the thank you page. She does have an upsell to her membership, which is great. But that upsell will do better if she has a video on the thank you page. And so what happens is a lead signs up, they enter their email for free yoga content. They're on the thank you page, and this is where you would add your free gift that is now a video. If you listen to all these steps, the video, you add the free gift onto the thank you page, the video onto the thank you page, and you deliver the value immediately. And then there's an upsell moment. So at the end of the video, and this is my favorite thing to say in all of internet marketing, is if you like this, then you'll love this. And so at the end of your free gift video, you say, if you like this free gift video, you'll love my membership. Try it for free for 14 days. And then that way you can complete that bridge from free to free gift to the paid membership, and it'll all be totally aligned. And it will be a better user experience for the clients because they don't need to go to their email. Everything's really clear. Video is always better easier for them to understand. So again, you're missing a critical upsell opportunity and you're failing to reinforce the excitement after the opt-in. Again, I have clients who have said, thank you for, telling me about the thank you page. I've gotten 7 leads this week. I've gotten 7 new members, 10 new members. But over time, it's just going to get more and more new members and it's free money that's just sitting there. Fix number 5, leads, YouTube. YouTube call to action rule is too soft. And so why is this a problem? Viewers are passively listening at the end of the yoga videos. It's weak or non-existent call to action. If it is a weak or non-existent call to action, you'll get no clicks, and YouTube's algorithm is going to reward channels with higher engagement. Now, that last one's a little bit tricky, but just the issue with this one's call to action is that she would do the yoga sequence and then go right into the call to action. And so that would all flow together. And when that flows together, YouTube viewers check out. So again, very easy fix. What I recommend is a pre-recorded call to action that's in a different setting, different outfit. Use an energy shift, use a visual change to recapture attention, and then direct enthusiastic. This says try my membership for 14 days. Instead, I would say try my new free gift video. Opt in to my email list, click the link below, try one of my members only videos for free. That's what I'd have a call to action. But it's a really quick fix. And then this is just over time will produce more and more leads for you and they'll convert much easier. So quick fix recap. So quick fix number one, move the video above the fold on the VSL page. Conversion number two, create an evergreen offer and do monthly flash sales. So get rid of the seasonal summer and just do one offer that can sell year round. Fix number three, free gift aligned with the membership. So create a video that is a free gift and then add that to the thank you page, right? That's fix number four is add the thank you page video to the upsell. Um, and then conversion fix number five, stronger YouTube call to action. And then if you make all these five changes, you will see massive improvement in the conversion rate. These are all just things that remove friction and make it easier for people to sign up today, sign up next year, next week. Um, and if you want your help growing your membership, you can join the membership accelerator. I'll leave a link below where you can just get access to me personally and my network, and I will answer every single question of anybody who joins. And so if you're interested, click the link below and you guys can find out more about it. Thank you. Hope this was helpful.